Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all people around the world, especially OFW working abroad. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Kain na po tayo. Ayan, ang ating adobong Bicol. Back ribs na ang ating pinakang rice ay quinoa. So, quinoa is healthier than rice, rich in fibers. So, ayan na, kain na tayo. Bon appetit! Yummy, yummy. This is the best adobo. Hi, everyone. So, right now, because we just received the alcohol from Amazon, so we gotta do our work. Last week, I did already shredding avocado seeds, and this is the result now. It's dried already. So this one, I can make this as a tea, or I'm gonna add this for my organic fertilizer for the plants. I'm gonna still grind it on the blender. So that's the uses of it for plants or for my body as a tea. And I put some in the fridge, this one here, because I'm waiting for the alcohol. Because I'm gonna do first in the alcohol and then in the weed. Because I got also from Amazon this one, the oil. See guys, anti-cellulite massage oil para sa varicose vein. And this one also is a massage from Amazon also guys. Kasi wala naman akong car, hindi ako nagda-drive. Ayan. Ginger oil, massage oil. Ang bango nito guys. Ang sarap ng amoy nito. So, lahat yung order ko sa Amazon. So, this is the other day. Came the other day. Nauna siyang dumating kisa sa alcohol. Tigas. Sarap ng amoy. It smells ginger. Really ginger. So, I still have here. We're gonna add some alcohol here, but I'm gonna put it's two of them guys, the ginger. It's twin pack, the ginger massage oil. So I still have another, after couple days, I have 4 seeds because my hubby's daughter eating avocado also like me. Mapino sa kabila. Ito na lang. So this is how I shredded the avocado seeds guys. See, I'm gonna put some here. I'm gonna reuse this bottle. This is aromatherapy massage oil bottle. I finished the inside of it. And I'm gonna show you the old one. It's been like this one. So this is like, see? I think 5 months already guys. Smells still alcohol. And it's doesn't gone bad because of alcohol. And I add some oil on it. That's why I order the oil. But this anti-cellulite, I'm gonna remove some of it. And then I'm gonna put avocado seeds on it. And then I'm gonna put also cloves. So I'm gonna get some cloves guys. So this is our cloves guys. It's color a little bit lighter. So this is the original one and this is the strong one. Yung parang maroon lang ang kulay niya guys. Looks like maroon color, not a black one. The black one is not strong. So this is the best one, organic. I always get it from East Indian store guys. So I'm gonna add more avocado seeds. Usually I use Salad Master food processor, but since this one only few, so I don't need Salad Master food processor. And besides, not all of you guys has a Salad Master food processor or Salad Master machine. So I know everybody has this in their house, so it's easy. You see guys, how quickly it changed the color. See, after, I'm gonna put it down a little bit. So after you got shredded, it's like cream color, white color. Now, after few minutes, it's become brown color. That's how it easily changes the color of avocado seeds. Now we're gonna put the avocado seeds shredded here. I put some already, it's almost half of it in the bottle. Now, we're gonna add the alcohol. Oh, I opened this one already. I'm gonna use this one, it's open. So, it's 3/4. This is rubbing alcohol, guys. Don't use isopropyl because isopropyl is very strong. Use the rubbing alcohol, or in the Philippines, Ria alcohol. You have a lot of Ria alcohol. I like Ria alcohol. In Canada, we have a lot of Ria alcohol. But here in US, we don't have. So, and the store here is very far away. 35 minutes from here, from home. So, we're gonna add some cloves. I think not all of them. And then we're gonna close the lid. Oh, where's the lid of this one? Oh, over there. So then after 3 days, guys, I'm gonna add anti-cellulite or ginger massage oil. I think I can add here ginger massage oil, so I can put some here in this bottle of avocado seeds. That's how I do, guys. So I'm gonna put some on that massage ginger. They have already oil, but you know, because I wanna put some more here, avocado seeds, so I wanna divide it, guys. Yan. Yan, divide it. And then, I can put the avocado seeds here. I'm gonna put first the clove. So that's what I always do, guys. I add cloves and avocado seeds. And now, I don't have kalunji. In Canada, I also add kalunji seeds. It's very powerful with kalunji seeds. Right away, the pain, it's gonna be gone away. It's gonna be go away. Disclaimer, guys, disclaimer, this is not a cure. It's just to help ease the pain, not a cure. Because if you have arthritis, rheuma, back pain, if you keep repeating your work, it's gonna come back your body pain, knee pain. See, this one, because I add avocado seeds on it and cloves, I'm not gonna use this in 3 days. I'm gonna use this after 1 week. Because you know, the massage oil, it takes time to absorb the power of avocado seeds. Unlike alcohol, when you put in the alcohol, it's right away. The next day you can use it. So in the oil, it takes at least 5 to 7 days before you use it after putting the avocado seeds. So I have some more here. See guys, I put this in the fridge so it's gonna keep it fresh. Yan. So I never throw any avocado seeds unless I wanna grow it. Yan. I think I can add some alcohol on it. Yan. So pwede ko siyang add ng alcohol kasi ito lalagyan ko rin siya ng avocado seeds, yung bottle ng alcohol. Para marami akong panghilot. Kasi may dadating akong bisita, customer ko siya ng aking mga panghilot at lagi siya umu-order sa akin. O, ayan, di ba? So, after 1 week, ready to use. Ayan, ganun lang. Ay, kasi nitong isa. Ito. Ayan, di ba? O, alog-alogin mo yan bago mo gamitin. Kasi you have to shake it before you use it when you add the oil. Because the oil, it goes on the top of the alcohol. It doesn't mix well properly. So, every time you're gonna use it, before you use it, you have to shake, shake, shake it, baby. Shake, shake it. Di ba? Ayan. May dalawa na ako. At ito pa, may pangatlo. Di ba? So, add natin dito. Add tayo ng, I think, ang i-add ko na lang dito. Next, after 3 days ko pala lalagyan ng oil. Meron pa kasi akong isang oil dito, guys. So, ayan. So, after 3 days, ipapang-add ko na siya. Ayan, o. Ginger massage oil. I like the smells of this. It's very powerful, the ginger oil. That's why, and if you want pump, you can do pump. But because I put the avocado seeds there, magbabara siya, magka-clutch siya dito. So, hindi ko na ito ginagamit. Ayan. Tatabi ko na lang yan, just in case. May mapagamitan ako yan. So, ito,
Yan. Pwede ko na siyang lagyan nito na avocado seeds. Yan. O, di ba? Kaya para hindi, walang sayang yung mga bote yan. Dinidivide-divide ko yan, guys. Tapos, after 3 days, lalagyan ko to nito. Hahatiin ko to. Ang kalahati nito ay, half of that, it's gonna goes here. Ganun lang. It's very easy peasy to make your own massage avocado seeds with cloves. Or if you have kalonji seeds, put kalonji seeds and, oh, I forgot to put black pepper. I add black pepper as well, guys. Easy absorption, di ba? Para mainit siya. Ayan. Lagyan natin ito dito. Ayan, diba? Pampainit kasi ang black pepper. Magdagdag pa ako, guys, kasi dadagdagan ko ng... Ito, pwede rin yung buo na black pepper. At maglalagay din tayo ng buong black pepper. Ayan. Diba? Para mabango. Super bango. Ayan. Tapan muna natin para hindi matapon. Nalagyan ko rin siya dito. Pero ito, pwede na itong gamitin, guys, kasi matagal na to, 5 months na to eh. Nakalimutan ko kung nalagyan ko to ng black pepper para hindi. Pero cloves, may cloves to. Ayan, nilagyan ko na ito ng cloves. Nalagyan natin siya ng black pepper. Diba? Ganun lang yung guys, kasi ang black pepper pampainit. Ayan. Easy absorption. O, diba? So, ganun lang. So, thank you guys for watching. It's very easy to prepare your avocado seeds massage alcohol with any massage oil. Or if you want only oil, you can do that. But takes 5 to 7 days before you use it. If it's alcohol, after 24 hours tomorrow, you can use it. So, after 3 days, I'm gonna add oil on it. And I still have one here. So, I have to make another galgal. But I still have some more here. O, diba? Very easy guys. Very easy. Gagdag ulit tayo. Tapusin natin to. Ang bango. Sarap ng amoy. And if you really want a very nice smells, add rosemary. So, may rosemary, I make it a tea. So, I drink this rosemary. So, tignan ang aking kuko. Ang ganda pa naman. Mahal ng kuko ko guys. $145 ang bayad ko dyan. Up and down na kuko. You see guys, how it changes the color? It's only few minutes and it's turned to brown color. This one, no, not yet. Kasi yung oil, ito pala yun. Ay, yung oil din, nagtuturn din siya ng darker guys. Oh. Kumpara dito sa wala pang lagay. This one, nothing on it. Light, and this one, see, it's dark. It's become darker also, the oil. So that's the difference guys. So I think guys, ang gagawin ko dito sa anti-cellulite, kasi punong-puno siya, hindi ko siya pwedeng malagyan nito. So I'm gonna remove some, I'm gonna put in here, so I can add the avocado seeds in here. Guys, lahat ng ano niya may kasama siyang pop-up, kasi kung gagamitin mo lang siyang as in massage oil, wala kang i-add, ilalagay mo itong pop-up na ano, push button. Pop-up. Ayan o, gaganyan mo lang yan. Hindi ko na siya magagamit kasi lalagyan ko siya ng avocado seeds. Magbabara kasi yun, it's gonna be clogged if I'm gonna put avocado seeds. Wow, it smells nice. So I'm gonna remove some from her, and I'm gonna put in this jar. Yan. Sarap ng amoy. Ayan, yan yung kulay niyo guys, o yellow. Golden yellow. So, lalagyan ko siya dito. Tama na kaya yun? I think. Ayan, lagyan pa natin. Hindi naman kasi ito punong-puno. Ayan, 3/4 na lang siya. Save natin to. Lagyan siya natin ng cloves. Clavo de comer, in Tagalog, clavo de comer. In English, cloves. Ayan. Lagyan natin yan, damihan lang natin. Ayan. Mas gusto kasi guys yung strong. Ayan. At, lagyan na natin siya dito. Alagyan pa pala natin din ng black pepper. Diba? Para easy absorption din siya sa ating skin. Pag may kalunji seeds guys, mas maganda kalunji seeds, kailangan nyo rin durugin. Pero ito, dahil marami na akong nilagay, so okay na yan. At ito, salpak na natin yan lahat. Yan. So after 1 week, next week, I can start using this. For the meantime, I'm using this one guys. Naubos ko na nga siya dati, tapos inilipat ko lang yung laman nitong isa dito para malagyan ko ulit. Yan. Mahahatching ako sa amoy ng paminta. Pag ginrain ko talaga ang paminta guys, nahahatching ako. Pinipigilan ko lang eh. Excuse me guys, sabi ko na nga ba eh. Hindi ako nagkamali sa aking iniisip, nahahatching ako. I feel it, I'm gonna sneeze because of black pepper. Excuse me. Yan. I have very sensitive nose on. Excuse me guys, sorry talaga. I'm so sorry guys. I always sneeze on black pepper and onions. Oh God. So ganyan lang guys, ayan, meron na tayong massage oil na massage oil and alcohol. Tapos may natira pa tayo. Whew. Ayan o. Excuse me, sorry guys, I'm so sorry. It's nature. O, diba? Oh God. So, meron na tayo for next week. Ayan. excuse me. This one, guys, it takes me through 2 to 3 weeks before I finish. Sometimes 1 month. It's depend on my body. Excuse me. Usually, I use this on my joint, on my ankle, on my foot, here. In this area. Ay, ang dumi. Ang dumi kasi hindi pa ako guys naligo. Oh God. So yan. Ito yung ginagamit ko everyday. Not really everyday. If I feel too tired on my legs, then I use it. If it's not, I'm fine. I'm okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. See? Easy peasy. Making your own massage oil and massage alcohol with oil. Yan, di ba? Saka pa. Ito, lalagyan ko siya ng oil after 3 days. So kailangan yung, ano niya, talagang ma-extract yung nutrients ng avocado seeds. Dagdagan ko pa kaya. Marami pa akong pandagdag eh. Yan. Mas marami, mas maganda, mas strong. Ayan. Tignan guys ha. Here you go guys, my expertise of making my own DIY massage alcohol with oil, massage oil. So this is my finished product. This has been 5 months already. I'm still using it. It never gone bad. So this one I finished today, and this one also. This is with alcohol. I'm gonna add this with oil after 3 days. Same as this one, rubbing alcohol. Always use rubbing alcohol. Don't ever use isopropyl because isopropyl is very strong. Rubbing alcohol is better than isopropyl. And this one is a ginger oil, massage oil. I add the black pepper, cloves, and avocado seeds that's shredded. So ayan, yan ang mga ingredients natin. Ito guys, oil lang yan. Ginamit ko lang yung jar niya para bawasin yung laman nito kasi kailangan ay malagyan siya ng ating avocado seeds. So, yan. Very easy. Ayan, abutin na naman to sa akin ng ilang buwan. So, hanggang ano na yan? Hanggang December na yan, guys, na gamitan. Di ba? Easy.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for your support, for always watching my YouTube videos. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. God bless us all. God bless you more, guys. Thank you. Namaste.